Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we'll learn a special trick or a basic trick, but it will we can use in to solve a lots of complex problems. One problem that I found that I asked to get a solution of find the maximum of top 20 values. You can say here it can be top 100 values, top 13, 300 values. It actually depends on the question. Okay, so suppose we are now finding the top 20 values of maximum of these and minimum of top 20 values. Suppose these are our values and here are is 100 values. There may be 1000 values, 10,000 values. Okay, that's not our problem. Uh, so how we can do this? If we do it in traditional way, maybe we first we sort this column from descending order. Then we'll take the first value and the 20th value so that we can find the maximum and minimum. Okay, but we can do this in using a small formula actually, and we can find it. What is the formula? If you see that, look, the formula is large. Then we will specify the range. Here is b2, then 101. Okay, then we'll specify the number or the position. Suppose I want to find number one value, that means maximum, which will be the maximum value, and the 20th value, which will be the minimum of top 20 values. If we run this, we can find these two values. The first one is the maximum value or the top one value, and the last one is the minimum of top 20 values or the top 20th value. Okay, you can actually specify here any value. You can say here you can find it 10. That means by this here it will be here it will be 10. Okay, because now it's the 10th value, the top 10th value, and it's the top one of 10th value. Okay, that means there is a maximum of top 10 values and this is a minimum of top 10 values. And if you look here, you can actually specify here, you know uh, values. You can also specify more than two values. If we do this, you can find now this is our the number one value, this is our 10th value, this is our 20th value. Okay, so you can see that this is the formula is actually very flexible, and you can also by this you can find the top 25 value, and by this you can find any value, any position of the value by specifying the number here by from this range. And this is very actually very useful because by this, suppose someone ask you that find me the top maximum and minimum of the top 100 value. So what you will do, you just here will write 1 and 100. By this you will get the number of, suppose I am writing here, by this we will get the you know maximum of top 100 values and minimum of top 100 values. So this is very easy formula. You can I'm right I'm watching giving this time to see the formula here. Look, first large, then the range, then in the second bracket we'll specify the positions. Okay, this is very easy actually. Thank you.